Morning, Eco Gypsy. Early start for us today. We've got to leave here, go to my uncle's and then head off somewhere else. So it's a busy old day. We're heading over there today because he's finished the Showmans and that's being picked up by the customer. So I'm hoping to get a customer's reaction on that and film the last bits of the interior that he was finishing off last time we were over there. It's been a lovely little wagon to do, this one. It's got a little bit more unusual, different to a lot of the other stuff. But that's heading off today, so we'll get the last bits of that and obviously an update on the brush wagon. So I'm going to get a coffee and come and follow us. All done, John?
All done.
Right, we'll have a little look and have a little look inside. Action! Right, action! That's the goals, baby. All done, John?
Yeah, all done now, yeah. Mark's got all the carbons done. Yeah, Mark. Show them our carbon work you done on it. On this. Yeah, Mark will show you everything. It's done.
All these have been replaced.
We filmed them, didn't we, when you were doing them at your thing?
Along the top, along the Mollycroft.
But all been put back to original.
Yeah.
So they're all the original designs.
Yeah.
And then there was some extra carvings here. So these top ones were added.
Which I just said actually don't look over the top. They fit in really nicely.
Well, it just looked like there was a little gap there.
Yeah. Yeah.
But all these ones are all original.
And there's a set of steps.
Set of steps.
Let's have a look at them. So there's these are the steps for that wagon. Yeah. Going to offer them up to see how well they fit. It's a fair bit of work in them, Mark, isn't there?
It's about a week's work here.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. So we'll put them up in a minute.
A plank and a half of wood in there.
Is there?
Yep.
Right.
12-inch boards they come
Yeah.
out of. But
What's that wood?
that's southern yellow pine, so
That's right. That's what you carve with a lot.
It's got no knots,
Yeah.
or very few knots.
Yeah, and I think when the paint goes on there, we're going to have that the brown effect on there, and then some gold leaf on the side. Right, let's have a look inside. This is obviously mattresses, cushions to go on. Mollycross got the ruby glass in, which is nice.
So get the carpets and the curtains they fit.
Yeah, I'd say that upholstery's got to go in. These little cupboards above there are nice.
That's a good little church, yeah. It's good.
Yeah,
Normally you see the churchy wagons, you normally get like the two windows on one side and a blank down on the other side.
yeah,
But this one made this one a little bit better because, like you say, you've got the four windows.
yeah,
And it's spacious, it's wide in the floor.
yeah. I'd say proportions are lovely.
Yeah.
So has this been here? It's been here about a year, isn't it, John?
Yeah, we've done a couple other things, trolleys and other bits and pieces
Yeah.
in between. On another wagon we've done.
Panels are nice. But yeah,
I'm getting closer to my retirement now.
you're getting closer to your retirement.
Yeah. Yeah, old Ollie's done.
That's one.
And we're away.
Well, this is one out of the way, isn't it?
Yeah. We've got a drain to do in there. Just doing, mate Jesse's wagon.
We'll have a little look in, see.
One.
Get down here.
Oh, that'd be sound.
Little side project here.
Yeah, just doing that from the mate's boy. So just use it for summertime.
Yeah, a little tidy up.
Yeah, just totally.
Nice little usable wagon, really,
Yeah,
isn't
yes, you
it?
can away and a bit of fun with it. Can't
Yeah, yeah. If I ever got a wagon, that'd be the sort of thing I do because you
know
don't worry
something?
about banging it or
you?
knocking it or.
My favourite wagon at all is open lock.
Yeah,
Always have been.
yeah,
Don't get me wrong, the big ones are nice, but like for everyday driving when we was on the road, we was on the road for 11 years. And always had open lots, had a little Jarrett wagon, or a couple of little Jarrett wagons.
yeah.
Well, I don't think you can beat them.
Well, you can use it, can't you? And you're not going to be breaking your heart if you do clip it or anything at all. So, yeah, everything's got its place. It's a little trolley now being done as well. You got to do this top to bottom, John, or
Yeah, top to bottom. Yeah. Yeah. We're just putting in primers and that at the moment.
Yeah.
Moving the coots up.
Yeah, it's a nice little thing.
The wheels for right there now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, rubbers. All right. Let's have a look at this old thing. She's really starting to look something now.
I look forward to getting on for this. Well, we've got on for the last couple of days as well, yeah, but we've got quite a lot of bit done, but we've got some of the carbons up ready. Just placed everything right. We're just waiting for the windows to come back from London because they've been all etched and that.
Yeah. Yeah, them top carvings are lovely.
Yeah. Well, I've got the carbons gone and the pipes to come out yet.
Right.
They've got to be drilled out, put back to how they were.
Yeah. So is there heads on these corners?
Heads on there,
yeah,
but
yeah.
Real sharp lines head.
Right.
On each corner.
And we're now starting to put these bit of line work in here.
Looks so much different.
Yeah, definitely.
There's got to be a lot of gold in because every one of these is going to be panelled gold.
Right.
Every one of all these in there. We didn't quite decide on the design because luckily we found the original design.
Yeah.
But basically what it is, it's a star, but you miss these panels out, but they extend to there. We only found them yesterday.
Right.
So that's got to come back off, but we'll get it back to how it was.
Yeah.
And this middle pane is stained with the name in.
Oh, right.
With
Yeah,
the
yeah,
name
yeah.
of the company
Yeah,
that had it.
that'd be nice, yeah.
Yeah, put that all back in.
So these rails are now, you see these starting to get
Yeah,
lined up.
A little white line going there, a bit of gold going in. And then these are all painted out gold, so when you look through the glass, you've got all the
Jesus.
glass. And then
Right.
you've got the shutters up there, and the
Yeah.
windows and that.
So that top rail's all on.
Yeah, and then we've got another rail on that, advertising rail on the top.
Yeah, above that.
Above
Yeah,
that,
that's
yeah.
going to be interesting to see that. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's got rails on right on the far top, and then another pelmet to go across the top.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I've got my blacksmith coming. He's coming in through the step next week.
right.
So we had the original carbons, so we're now recarved these. We've got four of the original carbons, but we've got some more to go in there.
Yeah.
But these have now been put back to original, so obviously top and bottom there, and then obviously the gold at least
Yeah.
in there. Mark's just done them.
Yeah, they look well.
So we'll get that out next week. Inside is coming up lovely. It's come up lovely.
That's going to be one hell of an interior once you start lining up in there, isn't it?
Yeah, the stove's now been all redone.
Right.
The original stove.
Yeah.
Little 34 range.
All right, let's get around here. Yeah.
I reckon by Christmas we're hoping to have all the golden colours in.
Right.
Not on all the carbons, obviously. But all the champers and that.
Yeah.
They'll be all done. We're starting on the back axle. So
Yeah.
the pan boxes are done because it's got double pan boxes.
Yeah, I've got them previous. Yeah.
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 And then I started to gold these bits up and that.
Yeah.
So we can get them fitted on.
Lovely.
Well, it should be something when she's done.
It's starting to look something now. Yeah, lovely. Well, that's the brush wagon. You can see that's now moved into the main shed. So I should think there'll be all hands on deck now the next few months. And now this is the priority,
Yeah, there's a priority there.
and the Showmans is now off. So and there's the steps in there. So they need a coat of paint.
This is what I've got the fairies to make these.
The fairies turn
the
up,
fairies.
yeah, at the weekends.
Yeah, it's called Mark. Right. The fairy come along and done this paintwork.
Yeah. Yeah, for a man who don't do a lot, John, you certainly seem to get it finished.
Well,
There you go. Yeah. Another one out of the yard. Cracking little wagon, that.
that red groovy in the carpet back, don't it?
Yeah. Look,
Yeah,
this
that's
is
right.
good.
Yeah. There we go. That's that. Thanks all for watching. Take care, and we'll catch you on the next video.